Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll show you my BAINz professional food costing format. Actually this is the food costing format that a lot of people already using, but I modify this format in a better way so that it can be more easier to use. So in this format I'll show you how to make recipes. So left side we have all the pages that will take you to the sub recipe, item master, menu engineering, bulk recipe. So right side we have search item, save, delete and print button. So I'll explain you step by step. So in this format we have sub recipe and main recipe also both. So first we go to the sub recipe and I'll explain you how we can use the sub recipe. If you see we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Suppose you have 5 ingredients for a recipe. Simply click 5 and then one format with loaded with all formulas and all will be appear. So at this place we enter the recipe name. For example, I'm making a pizza. So first in sub recipe section I'll make pizza sauce. Then we start taking the items for pizza sauce. So if you confuse about the item or the spelling, then simply click this button search item and a box will pop up. Simply write here like tomato. See, we have the tomato. So simply copy from here, Control C, cut it from here and then paste it. So we have the tomato. When I enter the tomato, all the ingredients is appear related to the tomato. These are the purchase quantity, purchase price, wastage, and then we have the yield final. I need another item, and that will be tomato sauce. Tomato. Okay, so we have the tomato sauce also. So that's how Control C and Control V. I will take some salt also. So I can simply write as salt. If you write any name and you see all this information are showing, that means the spelling is perfect. But if you enter any item and the information are not showing at this place, that means there are some spelling mistake. I'll take some butter also. So butter, when I enter the butter, no information is showing. That means I have to check whether the butter is available in our item master. So I click item master, left side. From here I can search butter just to check whether this item is available. It is not there, so I'll add one item. I'll add butter and gram. Unit will be gram and 1000 gram. 1 kg will be 1000 gram. Okay, that's how we say, because when you make recipe you use 100 gram, 50 gram. So we keep the unit gram and we add the unit 1000. The price will be, for example, 300. Butter has zero wastage, so 0. Then I come back to the sub recipe. See, left side we have main recipe also, sub recipe also. But if you want to delete any item from item master, simply click on the name of that item and click this button delete. It will be delete. Okay. Then I back to the sub recipe. Now you can see the butter related on the information showing here. So only these four ingredients I'll take to make the pizza sauce. I will add tomato like 500 gram, tomato sauce 200 gram, salt 120, butter 500, sorry 300. It is not the real recipe, just for example. If in this recipe we have any kind of wastage, that can be 10 gram or 20 gram or 50 gram, I will add at this place. So our recipe is done. You can see the total cost is total recipe weight is 1000. That means 1 kg 70 gram and cost is 238 approximately. When you done this recipe, simply click the yellow part of this recipe. This is the very important part. You have to select only the yellow part and click on save button. Okay, so we have successfully saved the recipe. Don't do this more than one time. Okay, now if you have a recipe that has 10 items, then you can click this button 10. The same format will come, and in this format you can add 10 ingredients. Okay, but if you add suppose a recipe format and you don't need that, then simply select this way. See, from the item name till the yellow line, click delete button. Yes, it is delete. It's very simple. Okay, so I have shown how to make the sub recipe. Now I go back to the main recipe. Okay, so when you have lot of recipes like 100,000 recipes, then if you want to search the recipes, you can search it from here. I'll enter pizza. For now I have only one recipe, still I can search. You see the cursor is here, so that's how we can search the recipe also. Maybe you have go down to find any recipes and then you have to scroll up to come to the top. No need to do that. You can simply use these arrows. You see, clicking these arrows, it will take to the bottom and top. Then we have item must search item list. I have explained you. Save, how to save the recipes. Select this yellow part and then click this save button. If you want to delete any recipes, I have shown you how to delete. Select from item name till the yellow part and then click the delete button. Then you have the print button. Button, how does it work? I'll show you in my main recipe. So I click to the main recipe from left side. Now I will make pizza. So I'll take a format with 10. So I make now chicken pizza. Chicken pizza. So first I take pizza sauce. Pizza sauce. You see, the pizza sauce we make in sub recipe, but we can use the pizza sauce as ingredients in our main recipe. So many times we have to make lot of sauces or breads, and then in final recipe we use that breads or sauces. So all the sub recipes that can be sauces, breads, rice, and blah blah. We have to make all these recipes in sub recipe section, and the final dish that we are going to present to the guest, we are going to make it that in main recipe section. I hope you understand. Then I take pizza sauce. I take some chicken for pizza. So at this place also, if you have any doubt or confusion about what is the spelling or what is the proper exact name of that particular item, better you can go to the search item, chicken for pizza. You see, that's how we can search chicken for pizza. Control C, cut it, and Control V. Another item I'll take onion. So okay, so no need to write onion. Onion, I know the spelling, right? Onion. I take cheese, coriander, oh sorry, olive, chili flakes, oregano. So these are just a dummy recipes, not the real recipe. So I'll take. Okay, I have to take pizza bread also, right? Pizza bread. Okay, spelling mistake. So finally our recipe is done. I'll take pizza sauce, 100 gram, chicken 200 gram. I love chicken, so 50 gram onion, cheese 200 gram. Cheese, no, 200 gram will be way too much, right? Chicken, I'll die. So 50 grams, sorry, 50 gram. And then I take cheese also 200, olive will be 50, chili flakes 10 gram, 10 gram, and then one piece of pizza bread. So you see, our recipe is ready again. The weight of this pizza is 421 and cost is 295.42. That means approximately 296 rupees. And this format has no currency symbol, so if you are belongs to India or out of India, anyone can use this format easily. It has the decimal point 2, right? So from any country where you're going to use dollar or pounds, so everyone can use this format. So our recipe is ready. So what is the next step? Select this recipe and click save. Always do that, but only one time. Then our recipe is ready. What is next? We are going to add the selling price and all. So we click. So this time, if you notice, this format, every format has a red border, big red border. You see, big red border. So we select only the red border section, then click print. So now we are in the print section, from here we can add lot more information on our recipe, like the pizza name, chicken pizza, recipe name, author or the chef name is chef Bain, department will be hot kitchen, date by default is today, just leave it as it is. Then we have the weight this much, cost this much, wastage was 0, and then GST, it is not mandatory. If you can add GST, if you want to add GST you can add GST, if you don't just keep it 0. So right side, all in this format only 4 place you have to edit, uh, author name, department, GST and the selling price. Rest all the other data will be updated automatically. So selling price, what is our cost? Recipe cost is 295 and I want to sell it 555. So now you see our menu costing price is coming 53% and GST as 0. So our profit is 259, approximately 260 rupees profit, and the recipe cost is 295. So all the euro mark that I add yellow color, these are the key points you have to see. The menu costing coming 53%. I think we should increase like 600, because no, more than that, 650. Menu costing should not be more than 45%. Okay, best if you can maintain the menu costing 40 to 42, 43, that will be much better. So our recipe is done, and now right side we have a bulk recipe also. For example, this is the one portion of recipe costing. If you want to make 100 recipe, like 100 pizza, what will be the quantity of this of your product, and what will be the cost for that? So this is the quantity and this is the cost, and you can see the weight will be total this much and the recipe cost will be this much. Okay, so that's how you can make single recipe, and after that you can multiply also. Now if you want to print this recipe, simply click this print button. For now in my computer there is no printer connected, so it will show me the PDF option. So I'll save the pizza recipe and I'll save it to desktop. Okay, save. I'll show you. So that's how our print will be looks like. All the information is visible, clear. It's very nice. Okay, so I close it. Okay, then another one option is left. When you decided the selling price and all, everything is done for this recipe, you can save this recipe from here. Save successfully. So now one last option is pending in my format, that is menu engineering. If I click the menu engineering, you can see the pizza, chicken pizza is added in our list. The menu costing percentage was 45%, profit was this much. So when you make like 100,000 recipes and after that you need to you done the menu engineering section also, after that it's very easy for you. When you are going to print a menu, simply come to the menu engineering, and from here you can see the, okay, so for a chicken pizza, the quantity was this much, cost is this much, and then selling price we have paid this much. So at this page you will get all the information related to your final recipe. Top we have a section. From here also you can delete any recipe. Simply click on the recipe name and click this delete button. The item will be deleted. If you want to print this page, simply click this print button. You will get a print. You click this button, you redirect to the main recipe. If you click the sub recipe, you redirect to the sub recipe section, then a bulk recipe, and then item master. For now I'll come back to the main recipe. Then another option is there called bulk recipe. How does it work? For now I make only two recipe. One is trial recipe, one is chicken pizza. I go to the bulk recipe section. So when you have 50 packs, 30 packs events, or if you have a party hall, this time this bulk recipe costing works for you. Then left side we have the category. Simply you can add the category like soup, and you can, yeah, first what you have to do, you have to make the recipe for soup, and you have to save that to the menu engineering. After that only you will get that recipe information here. So I enter soup, and then you see I have only two recipes saved in my item master, so it's showing me only two. So I select simply trial recipe. Then for example I'm taking starter. When I click, you see you have a drop down. Simply you can chicken pizza. For now I have only two items. So when I select these two items related to this item, it's start showing here. For example, we have 30 packs event, so I enter 30 in pack section. So now for example, for 30 packs I want to give the trial soup uh, 15 portion, and a chicken pizza 10 pieces, or yes, 10 pieces. Then you can see per head how much quantity. So per head 100 ml soup, and pizza will be 140 gram. So if we count as a gram, because in recipe we count in gram, so per head 100 ml soup and 140 gram pizza approximately will go, and the cost is for soup 12 rupees and for pizza 98.4 rupees. So now we have our total item cost and our total item cost for pizza. And at this place we can check total quantity per head. Quantity, that means this quantity and this quantity. For in this recipe I have ordered only two items. When you add like 10, 15, 20 items in recipe, now for this menu it will show you that per head how many grams you are going to serve, and what will be the cost for per head, and what will be the total cost for the all the items. So all the information will be there. So this total cost is your total cost, and this part of the data is for per head cost. When you're done making your recipe or selecting your bulk recipe, you can print this recipe also clicking this print button. And I'll show you. When I click this, there will be two part. One will be, so this one, so you will get two part of print. One is for menu that you can give to the kitchen team or the service team, and another page will be for costing purpose. You can check what all the items gone, and what was the cost, and what was the per head cost. All the information will be there. So I close this. I come back to the main recipe. So friends, in this video I have explained you everything in details how you can use this Bain recipe costing format. It's very easy. I think lot of people are using this format from our websites. So if you want to download this format, the link will be in description box. After download, contact me. I will make the necessary macro setting for this format, and after that you can start using it following this video. So thank you very much for watching this video.